a little bit closer.
Oh, I was waiting for you in case you were going to shoot.
Huh?
Are we all going to shoot at the same time?
We're all going to kill at the same time.
Okay, I'll stay back here because...
oh, you have no earplugs. Okay, so you'll wait and then you'll run up and you'll kill it some more, okay?
Yeah.
So I have to pull it back still, right?
No, all you have to do is pull the trigger.
Alright, you go first.
Okay. Not hitting anything.
I go too? I forgot!
Oh, there he goes!
Yeah! Gotta go get some more Desert Eagles. Go,
Come on,
Bruce.
Sweet. Hop it, Sweet. Yeah!
Did I hit it?
You hit it! Yes!
I'm dead.
Okay. Okay. We'll wait till it.
I'll hold it though.
Okay.
Well, I'll just put a new clip in. How do I do it again?
Press this button. Good job.
Wow.
Okay, Lewis, run away. I got 3 more shots and that pumpkin is mine, really quick. I just want to kill it.
Oh, that makes my ears ring.
Safety, sorry. My fault.
Whoa, that was a good one.
God, yeah, goodness, it's cannon. Okay, Lewis, get your plug back.
All right, sweetheart. That's my girl. You're nailing it.
How about this? I saved the last Desert Eagle clip.
What, earplugs or you have some?
I got some.
How
Just a sec,
about
I'm
this?
gonna go look at it.
Save the last Desert Eagle clip to show me shooting like this aim, like from the camera from here. Because I've already shown it getting the pumpkin down.
Oh crap!
I just have to show me shooting the Desert Eagle right there. That's what I was gonna say, like, you're the camera. This is what I was gonna do, like, almost like from there. No, I want to see me shooting.
This is what happens when you mess with the eagle. Oh yeah.
Oh, no, it's okay. After the Desert Eagle, 9mm or nothing. Hey, Lewis, are you recording?
Yeah, I just zoomed up on it to get detail and then zoomed back out.
Okay. Okay. Is it still showing a lot? Okay. It's gone.
I love how that sounds.
You know what? You forget that how loud it really is. Let's go get him.
Sounds that in. Why is it putting it off?
Go annihilate, kids. Have fun.
Pumpkin is toast!
Remember, it's our enemy. It's a vegetable.
Oh, sweetheart, what do you think of pumpkins?
Better start there.
Hey, sweet, wear your glasses, please.
Oh, I don't have them.
I don't have here.
Are they on my head? Oh, I have them.
Those are okay.
I didn't know they were not.
Huh?
I didn't No, they were not.
It's hard to tell.
Yeah, I forgot.
I just don't want you to hurt your eyes.
Uh-oh. I'm hitting the ground.
That's okay, aim a fire. Yeah, there you go.
Clear? No one's shooting, right? Okay, I'm gonna move the camera.
Actually.
Game on!
I knocked that can off.
You did? Good job. I'm trying to hit the left side of the pumpkin, so. Nice shooting!
I think you hit it every time.
Good job, Lewis!
I don't want to shoot.
Okay.
Save me like 1 or 2.
So this one looks good?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Blair Witch time. Just a second, I gotta zoom up at our what we did. Okay, bullet holes. Oh my God, I'm sorry, Mr. Pumpkin, but you're not gonna have a Halloween this year
Hey, Mr.
so
Pumpkin.
or next year. Look at this one. That one shredded it.
Yeah, I zoomed
Okay.
up on that one before.
Okay, wait. Let's see if we can lift this thing up.
Look at this pumpkin all the way back there.
Oh
Okay, wait
my
just a sec.
God.
You see it?
Where? All the way over that little bush over there?
Yeah.
Well, this is a black and white viewfinder, so I can't tell.
All
But
the way
yeah.
out there too.
Oh my gosh! Oh, little chunks of it are.
Everywhere.
They should have seen it, man. There are pumpkin guts everywhere.
Sorry, little pumpkin, you went toast.
Them all the way over here too.
Really? Wait a sec. I want to get a different view of what it was like for it to have died. Lewis, is that empty?
What?
Is that empty?
No.
Ready.
We always use proper safety gear. Oh, she nails the pump. Oh, I chipped you.
Denied.
Is it
I
empty?
thought there were more than
Yeah,
that.
it's empty.
I'm.
Oh. Watch out, Lewis. It's gonna be loud.
Okay. Oh, that flashlight's so bright. Can you see the flash?
Matrix. Okay. You step up next. Go ahead.
I'll
I'm
shoot
just-
like a few. Do you have a clip
I
still?
have another clip still.
I'm gonna want to double gun it once, and then I'll let you guys shoot for as long as you want. Okay? That's all I
Sorry.
want to get the camera. Oh, okay. Okay, I want to show another picture of what we did to poor little pumpkin sitting on the street. Poor little pumpkin, always getting beat. Okay, wait. I gotta show. Man, the rocks even got bullet holes. Wow, it shattered the. Okay, here we go. Ugh. There's a bullet hole.
In a rock?
Or bird shit. No, wait. Look what it did to it. It broke it.
Oh my god.
Broke the rock. Wait, night vision on? Oh, wow. Right. Wow. Okay. Hey, that was nice of you to pull the car up for us. I'm deaf. Stop recording.